When you join Adamas University, knowledge gained in theory leads to practical excellence. Learnings from world-class classrooms and a state-of-the-art library get implemented in cutting-edge laboratories with ultra-modern equipment that aids students in their research endeavors. Therefore, what is learned from books gets proven in front of the students themselves, leaving no stones unturned to bring clarity to the concepts. Across diverse departments spread over different schools, such as the School of Basic and Applied Sciences, School of Media and Communication, School of Smart Agriculture, and many more, the laboratories serve as seats of hands-on exposure which not only get students ready for professional success, but also instill in them the confidence and knowledge that will carry them forward in life. At Adamas, learning translates into actions and knowledge translates into impact.